world of creative technology is constantly in motion, a relentless buzz of innovation, speculation, and the occasional earth-shattering leak that stops the entire community in its tracks. In this high-stakes arena, few names command as much attention or generate as much frantic anticipation as DJI. They have, time and time again, rewritten the rules for aerial and ground-based cinematography. Now, it seems they're preparing to do it again, not just on one front, but two. The digital grapevine is ablaze with whispers, and those whispers are coalescing into a deafening roar, signaling the arrival of two potential game changers, a revolutionary new FPV drone, and a sophisticated evolution of their flagship action camera. First, let's turn our eyes to the skies. The FPV drone segment, once a niche corner of the market for hardcore hobbyists and professional racers, has been increasingly courted by cinematic creators. DJI's own Avata line helped bridge that gap, but the community has been dreaming of the next logical step. Now, it appears that step is imminent. The DJI Avata 360 has become the absolute center of attention. Leaks, which have been steadily surfacing and gaining credibility, are all pointing toward an official launch in the rapidly closing window of late 2025. This isn't just another iterative update. This is poised to be DJI's next major leap in the first-person view experience, promising a capability that has, until now, been the holy grail for immersive flight. Full, seamless 360-degree video recording. This new drone isn't entering an empty market. The race for 360 FPV dominance is already heating up. The Avata 360 is expected to go head-to-head with the intriguing anti-gravity A1, another 360 FPV contender slated for release in early 2026. The timeline is tight, and it suggests DJI is making a strategic push to conquer this new territory first. The excitement, which began as a low murmur with initial prototype tracking reports back in June 2025, has exploded. This surge in anticipation is largely thanks to trusted leakers like the almost mythical Igor Bogdanov, who have unveiled what appear to be genuine, polished, official marketing images and product shots. These aren't grainy, long-lens photos of a test model. These are high-quality promotional materials. This single detail tells us everything. Production is likely complete, final testing is wrapped, and the company is merely waiting for the perfect strategic moment to pull the trigger on a formal reveal, likely between November and December 2025. What makes the Avata 360 so compelling, according to these leaks, is its core design philosophy. The camera system itself seems to be the star, while its competitor, the anti-gravity A1, reportedly utilizes a more conventional setup of two fixed fisheye lenses, which require significant in-software stitching that can lead to visible seams and distortion. The DJI Avata 360 is said to feature a much more elegant solution. The reports describe a rotating, gimbal-mounted camera. This mechanical approach is a true differentiator. It suggests a system that can physically pivot to capture its surroundings, allowing for breathtakingly smooth transitions, unparalleled operator control, and a far more dynamic capture of the 360-degree sphere without the warping and stitching artifacts that plague simpler designs. For creators and professionals seeking truly cinematic aerial footage, this single feature could be the deciding factor, offering a level of dynamic control that dual-lens systems simply cannot match. Of course, innovation at this level rarely comes cheap. The pricing structure, also hinted at in the leaks, seems to position the Avata 360 as a premium yet competitive offering, especially when squared against the anticipated cost of its rivals. The standard bundle, which will likely get you in the air, is expected to fall somewhere between $1,199 and $1,299. The more practical FlyMore combo, a package that has become a staple for serious pilots and includes essential extras like 2 additional batteries, spare propellers, and a carrying case, could range from $1,299 to $1,399. For the dedicated professional, a creator or pro kit might be priced between $1,400 and $1,599, likely bundling in valuable tools like ND filters, creative mounting solutions, and other premium accessories. Finally, For commercial users, an enterprise package may be available for $1,600 to $1,899, offering crucial support like SDK access for custom software development and extended warranties for peace of mind. However, a shadow of uncertainty lingers over this exciting launch, as it does with many of DJI's recent product cycles. United States regulations. Some of the brand's models have faced restrictions and regulatory hurdles in the past, raising legitimate concerns that the Avata 360's launch might be delayed, limited, or functionally hobbled in certain key markets. To preemptively address this sensitive issue, DJI may be planning to introduce local data servers or other compliant solutions specifically for American users, a move to reassure regulators and consumers alike, barring any last-minute regulatory drama. The DJI Avata 360 seems poised to be a watershed product, merging the thrilling immediacy of FPV flight with the boundless creative potential of 360-degree capture, all wrapped in DJI's renowned flight technology and ecosystem. While some skeptics may view it as a simple marketing move, many enthusiasts believe this drone could fundamentally redefine aerial videography. But DJI's ambition isn't just focused on the skies. As the drone rumors swirl, the company has officially confirmed that its next-generation action camera, the Osmo Action 6, will launch on November 18 to each point one. This isn't speculation. It's a date set in stone. Adding fuel to this fire, the same tech leaker, Igor Bogdanov, recently posted a revealing video on X, giving the Eager public its first real look at the upcoming device. While DJI had already coyly acknowledged the Action SX's existence, these new visuals confirm that this is no minor refresh. This is a confident, deliberate evolution aimed squarely at the professionals and high-demand creators who push their gear to the absolute limit. From everything revealed, the Osmo Action 6 is introducing significant and meaningful internal upgrades. But just as importantly, the exterior design tells a story of maturation. The leaked photos showcase a more refined and sophisticated aesthetic, striking a perfect balance between the familiar Action series DNA and a new, modern sensibility. The body itself appears slightly larger, yet paradoxically slimmer, with a taller frame that can improve handling and balance. It features a deeper lens housing and sharper, more defined edges, all contributing to a sleek, pro-level look. Subtle but thoughtful changes, like new openings near the record button, and at practical improvements born from user feedback. Perhaps better heat dissipation for longer recording times, or enhanced microphone performance for clearer audio. Perhaps the most striking transformation, however, is the camera's new identity, communicated through its color and finish. DJI has reportedly ditched the signature red accents and sporty details of previous models. In their place is a matte, stealthy, all-black design. This is a minimalist, professional look that signals a clear shift in focus. It's as if the camera has grown up, trading its rugged adventure gear for a sharp tuxedo. It's no longer just a tool for capturing extreme sports. It's a serious creative instrument designed for filmmakers, meticulous vloggers, and dedicated storytellers. The DJI Osmo Action 6 feels like the most mature and creator-focused model in the series to date, a camera designed not to abandon its roots, but to elevate them, with whispers of improved stabilization, refined color science, and even potential smartwatch or Garmin connectivity. The Action 6 is ready to redefine what a compact action camera can truly achieve. The heart of this new beast is its rumored sensor. The most notable enhancement is its new 1/1.1 inch sensor, a major leap in imaging capability for a camera this small. This larger sensor promises to deliver exactly what professionals crave: sharper detail, improved dynamic range for handling tricky lighting, and superior low-light performance. Paired with a variable aperture lens, another significant professional feature, the camera will offer creators unprecedented flexibility, allowing them to easily and quickly adapt to varying lighting environments without relying solely on ND filters. Whether you're shooting fast-paced outdoor adventures in harsh sunlight or cinematic vlogs in a dimly lit cafe, the Action 6 seems built to handle it all with grace. DJI's approach is clear: refine and perfect what already works. The pricing, which is also leaked, seems highly competitive. The DJI Action 6 standard combo is reported to be priced at €379 in Europe, £329 in the UK, and approximately $379 in the US. Point 2. The more comprehensive adventure combo is expected to cost €479 for £119 and around $479 respectively. As November 18th approaches, the anticipation is palpable, but this new launch also creates a classic dilemma for consumers. Which camera should you choose? The DJI Action 5 Pro is a known quantity, a reliable high-performance workhorse that has proven its mettle. It offers a robust 1,950 mAh battery for up to 4 hours of 4K recording, is ruggedly built, waterproof to 20 meters, and can survive temperatures as low as minus 20 degrees Celsius. It's the perfect companion for immediate adventures. The DJI Action 6, on the other hand, is the future. It promises the same or better durability, but brings with it the allure of new technology. Rumored 8K recording, advanced AI-driven stabilization, and enhanced connectivity. The choice, then, becomes a personal one. Do you stick with the trusted, dependable Action 5 Pro, a camera that will undoubtedly get the job done? Or do you embrace the futuristic, creator-focused power of the incoming Action 6? This isn't just a battle of spec sheets. It's a battle of philosophies. As this battle for the hearts and wallets of creators heats up, one thing is certain. Your next adventure, whichever camera you choose, deserves the right tool to tell its story. The question is, which side of this technological divide will you be on?